Hello, thanks for joining us on the news at 4. We start the news this hour with the latest on the Ondo State governorship election. A few years ago, the Independent National Electoral Commission declared the candidate of the All Progressives Congress, Lucky Aiyedatiwa, winner of Saturday's election. Governor Aiyedatiwa won in all 18 local government areas of the state with a total of 366,781 votes to defeat Agboola Ajayi of the People's Democratic Party, who scored a total of 117,845 votes. The candidates of the ZLP and Labour parties polled a total of 2,692 and 1,162.
Aiyedatiwa Lucky Orimisan of APC, having satisfied the requirement of the law, is hereby declared the winner and is returned elected. Thank you and God bless Nigeria.
And it's celebration for Lucky Aiyedatiwa and the All Progressives Congress after INEC declared him winner of the Ondo governorship election. APC leaders, governors and party supporters gathered at the banquet hall of the government house to celebrate the victory.
A landslide victory for him and for the people of Ondo State. For me, it's just an assignment that we're grateful that the party has given us the opportunity to serve it once again, and we did continue to do the very best at all times.
And this is democracy in action. But what is more important is that all the major stakeholders in conducting this election believe that the election is free, fair, and credible. And what is important to the people of Ondo State is that since they elected APC, they elected our candidate, they have elected for continuity, because there will be continuity in governance. There will be no abandonment of projects. There will be sustainability of programs and projects. Our next target now in this geopolitical zone, the southwest geopolitical zone, our next target, and you know we are good in hitting the target, that is Osun State and Oyo State. We assure you, we will do all what is possible to bring them into the fold.